Hello, today we will guide you through how to clean up undeposited funds in QuickBooks Online. If your undeposited funds account contains old or unwanted entries, cleaning it up can help keep your books more accurate and easier to review. In this walkthrough, we'll go directly into QuickBooks Online, locate the undeposited funds account, open its register, and remove a sample transaction that should no longer be there. Begin by opening QuickBooks Online and making sure you're on the main homepage. Once you're in, look to the top right area of the screen and click the Settings icon. This is where you can access important accounting and company setup tools. From the Settings menu, choose Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is the list of all accounts in your company file, including bank accounts, income accounts, expense accounts, and special holding accounts like undeposited funds. This is the area you'll use to find the account that needs attention. After the Chart of Accounts opens, look for the undeposited funds account. You may need to scan the list carefully to find it. This account is commonly used as a temporary holding place for payments before they are grouped into a bank deposit, so it's a good place to review if something appears to be stuck or left behind. Once you've found the undeposited funds account, click View Register. Opening the register lets you see the individual transactions recorded in that account. This is helpful when you need to inspect specific entries and remove items that do not belong. In the register, locate the sample transaction you want to delete. Double-click that transaction to open or expand it so the available actions appear. Take a moment here to confirm you're selecting the correct entry before removing it, especially if your register contains multiple similar transactions. When you're ready, click Delete. This removes the selected sample transaction from the undeposited funds register and helps clean up the account. That's all it takes to remove an unwanted sample entry from undeposited funds in QuickBooks Online. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to review entries carefully before deleting them, since changes to accounting records can affect reports and balances. If needed, you can repeat the same process for other incorrect sample entries showing in the register. Thanks for following along. You've now seen how to access the undeposited funds account, review its register, and delete a sample transaction to help keep your QuickBooks records organized.